Welcome back to Commercial Cleaning, from zero to janitorial. I want to talk to you about a bit more about lead generation and a few other websites and places that you should know about marketing. Um, I'll start by a paid version of Google Ads. It's actually called Google Local Services, and then I'm gonna talk about some other options, free options, things that you should do. Even though they're free, they help a lot, along with networking and some places that you can actually do some real networking with other business owners. So let me start with Google Local Services. Uh, with Google Local Services, you pay per phone call. You're not paying like Google Ads, because Google Ads is something different. You're not paying for clicks or shown ads or anything like that. You only pay per phone call every time someone looks up your business, finds your business, and actually makes a phone call. Uh, I believe it changes by industry and location. For example, we pay close to I think about $20 per phone call, and it so someone, think about it this way: someone that wants your services uh, will find you on Google and will give you a call. Now there's no middleman. It's not like Home Advisor or Thumbtack that they talk to them and then they sell you their lead, and it might go to you and 10 different people. There's no middleman. That's what's so beautiful about it. It's just someone looking up your business, looking for cleaning around your area, and found your business and calls you. Now you can also set your objectives. For example, so this is my page for Google Local Services. So they do a background check, they do an interview, they want to make sure that you're a good business. So they give you the Google guarantee. And this is beautiful because with Google Local Services, when someone looks for a cleaning services, you'll be right on top, right before SEO with organic results, right before Google Ads. So you're right on top, and you actually have this badge that says that you're guaranteed by Google. And what that means is, I believe, is Google would pay back up to $2,000 to anyone that hires services and is not happy with them. And so you're guaranteed by Google. So that's huge. That's big. So you can actually set your budget. So right here you can set to whatever, and you can change it. We change from, if we are way too busy, we don't need clients at the moment. I know it sounds silly to say we don't need clients, but sometimes you might be too busy and at the moment you don't want new clients. You can lower it down, you can pause it. As you can see, actually my ad is currently paused just because we only have it running during business hours, which is right here. So you can set your business hours and say, I only want it to run when my business is open. And you can experiment. I feel like if you're gonna pay $20 per phone call, you want to pick up that phone. You can set your different services. If you do residential as well, you can do deep clean, standard. We usually leave it at office clean because we're trying to find more janitorial, more businesses that want our cleaning. So this is something that I will highlight, and you can set your location. This is something that for any either new or if you've been in business, you need to get Google Local Services. Again, you can set the budget at whatever you can spend. If they call you about something else that is not related, so let's say I have checked off office clean only, right? So I'm only looking for office. So someone calls me and says, hey, I'm looking for someone to clean my house. I can actually get credit for that. I don't have to pay for that lead because I'm not trying to sell house cleaning. I'm looking to sell commercial cleaning. The same way, if someone calls you and says, hey, I'm looking for someone to clean my roof, and you don't do roof cleaning, you get, and usually I would say we get really good As long as you're not trying to cheat the system, that you're honest about it, you get credit for 99% of times that it's something not related to what you're looking for. So highly recommended. Google Local Services, something that you want. So now let's talk about some free options. So this is Google My Business. All this is just a page out there about your business, and I believe this is the one that gets created when they search for a business on Google Maps. A lot of people do that. I do that. So sometimes you have to see what is it that you do when you need someone to come and do a service at your home, and just replicate that. Make sure that you're out there to be found, and this is an easy and free way. So Google My Business is just a free tool that you need to use, I would say, from day one. It works just like Facebook page, but for Google. So I want to be clear, you need both. You need a Facebook page for your business, and you need a Google My Business page. And the URL, I believe, is business.google.com. As well as a website. You also need a website. So I would say website, Google My Business, Facebook page, and also, especially for janitorial, I will highly recommend LinkedIn page. It's an easy way to reach business to business. So that's something also highly recommended. Lastly, so let's talk about networking. Just wanted to switch the website. So Leesburg, that's the city that we're in, and we're a member of the Chamber of Commerce. So business networking, it's really useful. It's a way to expand your knowledge, learn from other business owners, learn from their success, and find new clients. At the end of the day, you have to be out there. You have to put your name out there. You have to do networking. They have to trust you. They have to get to know you. They have to get to know your business. They're not just gonna hand you their business if they don't know you. They want someone that they can trust. A strong and active business network has a lot of advantages. They can make your business grow, and I mean, I would say it's a must. Networking is a must. Now there are other ways. Chamber of Commerce is one, and then there are other ones. And these are paid, by the way. Usually a Chamber of Commerce, you have to pay. It's a small fee, it's not much. Same thing with BNI. BNI, it's a Business Owners Association. We joined BNI when we just started our business, and it helped a lot. So BNI, and I'm pretty sure there are other ones like BNI. I'm just giving you the examples that the stuff that we went through. BNI, it's a Business Owners Association that you meet once a week, usually early morning, and you help each other. You create relationships. I mean, we went to BNI about maybe 2 years ago. We went for a whole year, and I still talk to the people that I established a relationship with. And we sometimes, if I need someone to do some painting, I'll reach out to the person that I have a relationship, and I recommend that because I know them and I trust them, and I know they can do right by my clients. And it's the same way, the opposite way, they'll recommend me. So I would say highly recommended. You need to do networking. You have to invest the time, but then again, that's what it's all about. That's why I always say, work on your business, not in your business. If you're cleaning, then who's gonna be out there talking to people, getting new clients? So make sure you get out of cleaning and you work on your business. I would say the Google Local Services, that's a must. You can set your budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money, but it's going to help you. And it's much better than those websites. So let me clarify this. The biggest difference with something like Home Advisor, Thumbtack, and all that, the biggest difference is that there's no middleman. With Google Local Services, you get a call from the client, directly from the client. You know, they found you on Google right on top, and you have great reviews because you have social proof because you've been working on that, right? So they'll call you directly. Biggest difference with Home Advisor, Thumbtack, and all those other sites is that they talk to the person looking for a service, and they'll send that lead to you and 10 different people, or whoever pays the most. You don't want that. You want people that saw your business on Google, that checked out your Facebook page or website, and they see all those great reviews, and they want to hire you. So again, highly recommend it. Again, Google My Business, free. It's a great way, great way to put your name out there, and it's probably a bit more. So something like Facebook page and Google My Business, it's a way for a client that doesn't know you to do their research and say, oh, okay, they're legit. They're not just some people that they're running some scam or something like that. So they're legit. So it helps a lot. Social proof helps a lot. And that's it for today. I hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. If you find the information is can help someone else, just share the video. And any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer. All right, until the next one.